we want to learn about how we can use um, an AI tool for Simplified to be able to schedule our social media posts, and I think I'll be able to post them on several social media pages as well too. For the free version, I'm aware that you can sign up for the free version. You can connect three pages to it, but for if you want multiple pages connected, that means you have to go for the premium version. Okay. So the link to the platform is will be in my show. So you can just click on it and it will take you to the page for you to make your purchase. So here we just have to quickly sign up. I've already signed up, so what I will do for you, you have to sign up with an active email address. I have already signed up, so what I will do is I'll just sign in and then take you through how you can be able to use the portal or the app to manage the social media account. Yeah, so we have our Simplified portal open here. So what we have to do is we just have to go straight to schedule our post. Yeah. So you can see this panel, you can see my account has been selected here. Yeah. So before you can even add there's a page that you can add your yes. So you can add your account here. You click on account and then you select the page that you are adding. It will be Facebook. But mind you, for this for the free version, you are entitled to 83 accounts. Okay, 83. So but for the premium version, you can add as many as you want. So when you want to add, just click on add account and then select the page. It will take you to if you link it to the account, then take it to the pages that you want to select for the AI to manage. As soon as you log in, yes, that's what it will do for you. So you can just move it, just account and then just clicking the account to study your post. Yeah, so you just click on new post and you select your account. Yeah, so when you select that, anything after that you start here, there will be a preview. And so this is how it starts here. So let me go to ChatGPT to give me a technical. So yeah, here we have a search code that you can use. Yeah, so here we can use yeah, so I can put here. So this is how it will be when you post on your social media page. Now also it will interest you to know that you can also take this off and let the AI also assist us in generation of content here as well. Okay. And I also give us a hashtag that we use in regards to post it. Yeah. So for now, so when you are done, you just have to click on schedule and the date and time will I mean, Ghana, Accra. So we just have to type in your link to your time again. So to together. So after 7, we just have to on the date of the schedule, you should be able to the system should be able to have your content posted on your page. Yeah, yeah, thank you.